Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and today's tutorial I am going to show you how you can create AI thumbnail. It's completely free and you don't have to spend any money. As a student, if you want to create your YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos, also if you want to create for your client project, and definitely using AI, so this video for you. This thumbnail already I have generated. So this is the YouTube thumbnail. Here you can see, look at the thumbnail design. So it's a AI thumbnail. So it's a wrestling fighting in the village. The village people are gathering here, they are enjoying, and look at the behind scenario. That's amazing. It's a green field, river, cows over there. Okay, and let's check the another one. It's also it's a Indian, Bengali or Bangladeshi tradition. Okay, they are playing drums and they are enjoying. Okay, babies over here, cows, and they are fighting. Like it's a village wrestling, it's called. Okay, it's pretty similar. Here you can see they are wearing it's called lungis or something like this. Okay, look at the two person, they are really strong. So it's a AI thumbnail, guys. Here you can see another one. They are gathering and they are surrounding and they are fighting. Okay, and look at the behind scene. So it's all about AI thumbnail design. So if you want to create this kind of thumbnail using free tools, so this video for you. So if you want to create for your YouTube video thumbnail, also you can use for your client project. That's mean if you want to do a freelancing project, so you can use this. Okay, so if you zoom out and zoom in, you can look at this, the design quality. It's really good and it's really HD quality. Okay, here you can see. All right, so in this video I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can create this kind of amazing thumbnail. Okay, so if you are watching this video first time, so I'm Raihan, a content creator and freelancer. So I make videos how you can use different AI tools and make money online, and how you can start your YouTube journey, how you can start your freelancing journey, and definitely make money online. So if you are first time watching here, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so no more delay, so let's get started. So first of all, if you want to create this kind of thumbnail, I'm going to use the first of all ChatGPT. Okay, so why? Because we want to generate the script, the image script. Okay, so how I did it? So let's open ChatGPT. Just visit ChatGPT and log in with your Gmail account, and here you can see ask anything. So using ChatGPT we can generate the first script. So let's generate the script. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the prompt. So you can write, also you can add your own style. So I'm just writing here, you are an image script generator expert. Now I need a script that look like a wrestling game like WWE fight. Now you give me a script like this, I can use it to create an image. I just need the script. The stage will be gorgeous and the two people fighting on the stage and the audience will cheer. Okay, write me an image script like this, and script must be in a single paragraph. Okay, press enter and you will see here you can see okay, so here you can see is a dramatic wrestling stage. Perfect. So that's a complete script. So if you want to elaborate this, so you can extend. So please extend this. Okay, so please add more to get good CTR. That's been click through rate. That's been it's a AI thumbnail, so definitely you have to create a good CTR level thumbnail so that audience can, that's mean the click through rates would be perfect. Okay, here you can see it's a 3 action picked. So this is the complete script over here. So let's copy the script, and I'm going to use the another tools. It's called ideogram. So search on Google ideogram, and this is the ideogram, and it's a text to image generator. Okay, so open this website and just log in with your Gmail account. It's free to log in. Okay, so don't worry about any pocket money. Perfect. So I already log in here because I already use this tool many times. Okay, so after login you can see like what you will you create. So describe what you need, just paste the script over here, and here you can see the ratio. So make sure your ratio is 16:9 because it's perfect for your YouTube thumbnail. It's a landscape format. Okay, also you can use the different ratio over here. You can see the default, it's the ideogram model version, perfect for 3.0, default 4x style colors. Okay, and it's time to generate. So click on generate and it will use 4 credits. Okay, so it's you can use free these tools certain a time, and then you have to purchase their premium package after exceeding the all the credits over here. Perfect. Okay, so I think we are really close to fight. Alright, so I think we are very close to complete this thumbnail design. So let's open this. Here you can see it's a WW fighting. Look at the crowd, look at the scenario. That's really gorgeous, amazing. Okay, that's really amazing. And how realistic is the images. Another one is perfect. Here you can see the perfect fighting. Another one is, I think he kicked and he's flying right now. Okay, so that's another one. Okay, so which one is really good? I think this one, maybe this one, and this one. Okay, so I think this one is more artificial. It's okay. So if you want to use this, just click on download here, and it will download it into your device. And then how we can add some text over here. Okay, so let's download this one. Perfect. And then open Canva. So let's open Canva, and you can add some text over here. Okay, alright guys, and click on that and right click, set image as background. Okay, so if you want to add some text over here, click on text, click on add a heading, and you can also add into the bottom section, and whatever you want you can write. And once it's complete, you can download this picture. Like click on here, click on download PNG suggested, perfect, and click on download. That's it. Okay, so this is pretty simple. So you can add your own style, like the text you can change, you can add different font over here. You can see different font over here. I just showed you very simply way. So I just showed you the very simply way so that you can understand. You can check different font style over here. So if you use a Canva Premium, so you'll get lots of features. Okay, you can add over here. Okay, and we already downloaded the image over here. Perfect. So this is how you can create AI thumbnail using ChatGPT and ideogram, and also with help of Canva. That's fantastic. So as a beginner, if you want to start your YouTube journey, so I think this will help you a lot to create thumbnail, and don't worry about spending money or hiring a thumbnail designer. So as a beginner, you can practice with this, and slowly and surely when you get monetized your YouTube channel, you can make money, so you can spend some money. That's when you can hire someone else. Okay, so that you will get the good thumbnail as well as. So comment below and don't forget to subscribe. So I will come back with another new tutorials. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.